all your tickets, you can probably do it for one piece and give it a try.
Chicken waffle. Hello, welcome back again to my channel. It's your friend Robert. I'm super excited to bring you the best video. Afrousion, Gold Coast Kitchen, Columbus, Ohio. Great selection of dishes here. They do have Jollof, they do have chicken wings and fries, they do have Suya. I'm gonna start with the Jollof. The rice is super tasty. Oh yeah, Ghanaian and Nigerian Jollof. I'll pick Ghanaian. I'm gonna chase it with this Suya, spiced with some onions right there. Lean, super crunchy.
Growing up, I used to like Jollof with yum sauce as a kid.
Oh, nice.
So you can try that. From Ghana, so you have to have the sugar. You can't really know. Then my friend owns this company in Chicago called Red Angel Sauce. So typically there's a place in Chicago called Harold's. In Harold's Kitchen, they will serve wings and fries and then put Harold sauce on top. They're the African style of Harold's.
Let's open up. Sauces to go with the Jollof. So that's chicken right there.
So with this one, you will kind of pour it over the chicken, but I don't want you to do all your chickens. You can probably do it for one piece and give it a try.
Is it too hot?
I wouldn't say too hot. You know, some people like it a little more savory, a little bit too much.
Yeah, it's like barbecue sauce too. All right,
But
so
you don't have to. I wouldn't say all of it. I'll probably do like half of it. That we still have like, you know, just over the chicken. Yep, there you go.
all right, so let me put it right there.
Yeah, we're open. What?
All right, thank you, brother.
Enjoy. Yep.
Cow sauce right there. It's the Nigerian kind of styles. Oh my goodness. It's some really good sauce. Hot and spicy, a little bit sweet, a lemon pepper crack. Golden fried, crunchy, crispy, the best chicken wing right there. Let me pour that on top of the fries. And with this lemon pepper crack right there, you can see the white sauce, the white powder seasoning. Oh my goodness. They wanted me to add the yum sauce, so let's do that. Amazing. Creamy, sweet, paired with a sweet, tomatoey kind of rice. Beef pieces, grilled to perfection, crunchy. I'm gonna pair that with a shinto. So this is a Ghanaian sauce. Actually, it's very aromatic. It really takes this suya to the next level. Chicken and waffles. Oh yeah. Chicken tenders by itself for that drizzle, that syrup. Crunchy, tender, sweet. That lemon pepper crack right there. Oh. I've tried chicken waffle. I've never tried a chicken waffle before. Sweet, fluffy waffle, salty, lemon pepper, chicken tenders. So I have to rate it. This is an easy 10 out of 10. My experience has been great. I'll leave the address in the description box. If you happen to be around the area, you can check them out. And their prices too are very affordable. Thank you again for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one and eat more Gold Coast kitchen food.